Hey guys, and welcome back to Craft Time Chronicles with Toya. Today I'm just going to be working on some Etsy orders. So basically we're just going to jump right into it. I spray painted the trays already, printed out the images. Here's one image, and then there's another one, and then the ashtray. So I just cut those out. So basically, there's another one, and I just cut it out on sticky paper. So here's the image for my lighter. I'm not sure of the exact measurements. If you guys want that, I can do a step-by-step tutorial, I guess, on the measurements and everything of that nature. Here's my lighter, and what I'm going to do, I kind of already wrapped it around here to see how I want it. I'm going to wrap it around like so. I should be in my office doing this, but I didn't want to go in there. So you just want to take the lighter, lay it flat. And this is sticky paper, and then what you want to do is just wrap it right around the lighter. Just like that. I didn't spray paint the whole thing because I'm putting a picture over it, so I'll make sure I just got the edges. Here's my image, and it just fits right in there. And then I did the lighter. And then I need some red vinyl to put on the jar here. That's for the other tray. Alright, so I was on the search trying to find some metal trays. I couldn't find any. They're even on back order for 30 days. So I went to Target, looking around, seen these trays. Don't know if I like them too much, but came home, and this is one that I've done. It's not perfected, so I was able to spray paint it too, y'all. But yeah, it's not epoxied at all. I was just trying to see. I don't think I like them too much, but there's another one I did. This one has glitter on it. But I mean, I guess you can put images still on them or do whatever you want to do with them, but I don't know if I like these too much. I don't know, but they come like this. Clear trays. This image on it. I think it came out really cute. I haven't epoxied it yet, but it actually came out really